morning. Sorry about the bedhead, but this morning we are making some tortilla French toast, or French toast with tortillas, or however you want to say it. We're gonna have some breakfast. Man, that's good stuff. So let's get this Blackstone going, and we'll see you inside. We'll get this stuff ready. Half a cup of milk, about a teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can adjust these flavors to your liking. Then we're going to whisk it all up, and this is for our tortilla French toast. Once it's all mixed real well, I got our tortillas. I got a dozen of the flour. They're like the soft taco size. They're about 5 inches. And then just start adding them to the egg wash and make sure you get them coated real well. I'm gonna put all 12 of them in here using a larger bowl, so these should all fit. Flip them over, get the egg wash on everything. The reason why we're doing this is we're gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes once they're all in the egg wash, unlike French toast where you want to get it in and get it out so the bread doesn't absorb too much. With flour tortillas, you want them to absorb as much as they can, and then every 5 minutes or so, flip them, move them around, separate them, just get the egg wash in really good. Let them set for 15 minutes and then get them out to the griddle. Okay, so for the tortilla French toast, we're gonna set this down not all the way low, but we're gonna kick it up a tiny bit. We don't want it to cook too fast, because we're going to put all of them on at once, so that's where our temperature is going to be set today. Okay, we got the griddle up to temp. I've had it on for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to throw some butter on there. This butter has canola oil in it. It's Land O'Lakes, in case you're wondering. The canola oil helps it not fry the butter when you put it on here. So I'm going to do all 12 tortillas French toast on here at one time, so I'm going to spread this butter out, get the whole griddle covered, just like this. And then next, I'm going to get those tortillas that have been soaking in the egg bath with the vanilla and cinnamon. I'm just going to lay them out here. We'll just do all 12. Lay them on just like that. Since this is on a low temperature, they should cook. Take 5 or 6 minutes for them to cook. I guess we'll see here. I could probably get, I don't know, I've already got 6 on here, so maybe I could get more than 12, but 12 is a good number. It fills the griddle up. Sorry, I keep saying grate. You all know I have a Pit Boss pellet smoker, so. Now I'm using the griddle. And here's the last couple. Now we'll just let this Blackstone do its thing. Doesn't take long. I've been wanting to do these tortilla French toast for quite a while, and finally decided to do it. Life gets busy. Of course, everybody knows. Thank you for taking your time and watching this. You'll see the flour tortillas, they'll bubble up a little bit. And then you can check underneath, just like when you're doing regular French toast or pancakes, when you start seeing the air bubbles. In this case, the tortilla kind of bubbles up. See there? Nice and golden, just like a French toast. I like using these. These are about 5-inch flour tortillas. They're the ones you use for soft tacos. You can get the big burrito size and cut them in quarters or pie wedges, whatever you want. These work out really good because you can serve 1, 2, or 3, or however many. Depends how hungry everybody is. But if you got little kids, one is plenty. Anyway, you just keep flipping them. As soon as you see that they're bubbling up a little bit, they're usually ready to flip. Just like that. 12 French toast all at the same time. Look at this one bubble up. It's blowing up like a balloon. That's some fresh flour tortillas right there. And you can flip them over, keep checking them. I'll let them stay up like that a little bit. That one that's all puffed up. I've got a couple of them puffing up pretty good. That one right there is puffing up. Puffing up. You can poke a hole in them if you want. I'm going to move these around. It seems to be a little warmer over here on the right. These ones that are completely done. Whoa, look at this one pop up like a balloon. Looks like a Mylar balloon. Look at that. I'm going to pop a hole in this one and get it down. There we go. You don't want to serve balloons. Or maybe you do. Who knows? You can serve them however you want. I'm just going to serve these up just like you do French toast. Put a little bit of butter on them. Some maple syrup. These should be really good. Look at that. Oh man, I can't wait. And just keep checking them. Make sure I don't burn them. I don't want to burn them. I think we're going on about 5 minutes here. They're about done. They go pretty quick. French toast, pancakes, everything on this flat top griddle cooks fast. That one still just wants to puff up. That's all good. Just makes it that much more flavorful. Fluffy. You know, by soaking these tortillas too, it allows some of that batter to soak into them. All right, I'm gonna start taking these off. They're looking really good. Oh, can't wait, can't wait. We're gonna dig into these. And that's really all there is to it. You just, look at that. You just make your egg wash, let your tortillas soak, and let these soak for about 15 minutes. Move them around. So what it take about 5 minutes or so, 5-6 minutes on the griddle. Take them off. Let that one go a minute, a couple seconds longer. I'm just gonna set these right here. Let me get over to the camera and we'll get zoomed in for you. Just like any French toast. Oh man, look at that. Just like any French toast, you can put whatever you want on these. I'm just doing butter and syrup, but fruit would be good, chocolate chips, whatever. These are gonna be delicious. I'm gonna take these inside now and we will see you in there. Okay, let's build a little stack of these tortilla French toast. Put a little butter on there, whoops. A little cold butter. Let's get that back on the knife. We'll get another one on here. I'm gonna stack up 3 of them. Flour tortillas, of course, are thin, which is good. You don't get all full of the bread that normal French toast. A little butter. Get our maple syrup on here. Yeah, just about that much. Now I'm going to take a bite of this. Oh. Man. Yeah, that is good. French toast made with flour tortillas. Man, you got to try this. It is delicious.